Today is dedicated to Christmas crafts, including the pom-pom tree topper that I've been talking about doing for 4 years. I don't know if this craft is worth continuing. I mean, maybe it'll be cute from far away. I want to show you my pom-pom ball. It's looking so cute. I placed an order on TikTok shop. I messed up, you guys. This poor face. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Vlogmas day.
Every day?
10, right?
I don't know.
You have your watch on?
Today is
I believe it's day 10. Happy day 10. Today is dedicated to Christmas crafts. There's a whole gaggle of things I've been wanting to do, including the pom-pom tree topper that I've been talking about doing for 4 years? 3 years? Don't know. But I also want to make, I would like to—
3 years, we bought it 3 years ago, so this is the 4th Christmas we've been trying.
My bad. I would also like to make a giant paper chain and put it around this room. I think that would be fun. By the way, we have my brother's dog. Her name is Luna, but she goes by TT. It went from Luna to Tuna to TT. She's like, yeah, I know. My brother's going to Germany, so we have a little extra pal for the week. So if you see her, that's Luna, Tuna, TT. So the pom-poms, I also need to hot glue gun. There's the ornament frame that I made a couple years ago that goes right there.
I'm sorry.
But Bradley left it too low last year and Milo got a hold of it and picked all the ornaments off. Because if you've like used hot glue, you know that it's a strong hold unless it's like pulled. So I need to glue that back together. I also bought silver pipe cleaners to make some of those star garlands I've seen on TikTok. So we're gonna craft a little, right, Meow? Bradley has an hour till he has to leave for work, so he's going to join. I told Milo I'd take him to the pool today because it's gonna be hot and I'm regretting that I said that, but there's no way he's gonna let me get out of it or forget about it, so I'm probably gonna have to go swimming. And like I said, I wanna finish decorating. I have to, must. But we'll start with Christmas crafting because it's fun. So I already have a bunch of pom-poms made. I'm probably gonna have to make more, but I'm gonna start with hot gluing them on and then seeing what else I need.
You think you have enough?
No, but to get a sense of like, you know, what colors I need more of, what will look good, you know, that whole thing. So I'm gonna start with that. All right, this is where we're at with the pom-pom topper. I'm kind of unsure of how it's gonna look when it's finished. Bradley thinks it'll look good, but I need more pom-poms. I have like a few select colors, but I need more gray. I need more of this darker pink. So I'm going to get cozy on the couch and make some pom-poms, watch some Vlogmas, because I have like 45 minutes till I pick up Milo, so I will just make a bunch of pom-poms. It is much later. My bad. It's almost 8 o'clock. Haven't eaten dinner yet. Making myself some tortellini from Costco that we got the other day. Yesterday. Picked up Milo from school. We did end up going to the pool with some friends, which it was too cold to be there, so we went there for long. But we came home, I was just hanging out with Milo. I did do some more decorating around the house, and I'm gonna show you that on a different day when it's like light out and not dark. But I wanna show you my pom-pom ball. It's looking so cute. At first I was like, this is gonna look hideous. Then I think it's gonna look cute, and then I'll probably think it looks hideous again. But we did try it on the tree already, and it does look pretty cute. I mean, it's kind of like huge, but I love it. I did run out of glue gun glue sticks, so I ordered more earlier. They'll be here tomorrow, which means I also couldn't do the picture frame project, so that'll have to wait. But I do need to make a few more pom-poms anyway, so I can just have those done and ready, and then maybe tomorrow night assemble it. But I just think it looks so cute. It's very like, I don't know, like anthropology vibes. It gives the same vibes as like the wreaths do. So I am loving it so far. I wish that I could finish it tonight just to have it done, but hey, this is closer than we've been the last 4 years we discovered. But so most of my time today has been dedicated to this, which is why I've been putting it off for 4 years, because it takes a long time to make this many pom-poms, but it's gonna be worth it in the end. But yeah, so I have a whole other, maybe less than half to do, but yes, I'll finish this when the glue gun sticks get here. But I placed an order on TikTok Shop for some random things. Some Christmas present stuff for Milo and then my niece. But I did get 2 clothing items and I love them both. They're not going back, I'm keeping them. So first one is this adorable cardigan sweater. It's a little bit like shorter, which I kind of like. I feel like a lot of my sweaters are like long and go over my ass, you know, which is good for sometimes, but I do like to have the option. And you guys know I am in a chokehold of the pink and red stripes, and this is just so Christmassy and cute. And you button it up, and this is the kind of cardigan you could just like wear on its own. You don't even have to wear something underneath of it. And it's soft. I don't think it's gonna be itchy, but I'll keep you posted. Because for now it just feels mostly soft, so we'll see. I know you like can't even see it, but you get it. And then along the exact same color scheme, but I got this really fun, like, I was gonna say linen, but it's not linen, but it's like that kind of vibe where it's just like an oversized button-down shirt that you could wear buttoned as a shirt, or you could wear something underneath it and just wear this on top. It's got a collar and it's got sleeves that you can roll up and button or just button at the end. But I think these are so cute. I'm sorry I'm not like trying them on for you. I'm so boring. You'll definitely see me wear them in the next few videos, but like, okay, this it did look cute when I put it on, and you can like button it up all the way. It was so cute. So I just think these are fun and festive, but also I'll wear them all year round. It's also like comfy and cozy. But I will put these both in my TikTok, what's it called? Showcase. It's like an Amazon storefront where the things I buy I can just add to there, because you think Amazon's hard to find things where other people bought. TikTok is so hard. So I will link the direct things I purchased there if you like these things. If you've never bought off TikTok Shop, I do it all the time. I just double check that you can get free returns in case things don't fit, and otherwise it's just like Amazon. You return things to, like I always return my Amazon stuff to the UPS store. Same with my TikTok stuff. So yeah, don't be afraid. I mean, be afraid of how addicting it can be. But I've always talked about, I love TikTok Shop purchases because a lot with clothing, at least, like I can see videos of people with similar body types with the clothing on. And I'm like, oh, okay, great. It's like a mini infomercial, you know? But my water is boiling. I'm gonna make dinner and eat. And then I think I still wanna craft. I didn't get nearly as much done today as I wanted to, so maybe I will get the paper slicer and slice a bunch of paper pieces and then sit on this couch, start my paper chain and watch like Desperate Housewives or the Kardashians or a Christmas movie or something. And I still want to make my star garland. So yeah, I'm still feeling in the crafty mood. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, I gotta be honest. I don't know if this craft is worth continuing. I mean, maybe it'll be cute from far away. I'm not so good at making the stars. My first one turned out with like the right amount of points, but my second 2 turned out with 6 points. So maybe they'll just keep getting better as I go. I don't know, but I'm not sure about this. You guys, I fucked up. I messed up. And I know I said that these were going to be kid friendly as far as around Christmas time. Turn this off if you've got kids with you, but come back because, whew. So I can't even blame Bradley. He put it up there, but I had the idea. I said, Bradley, put the elf in the dining room chandelier. I'm sure you can see where this is going. Which we did last year, but we must have not turned on the light. I was in the dining room tonight tidying up because a lot of our Christmas stuff is in there, and I'm just like pulling from it on the table, and I smelled something and I was like, that is a horrible smell. What is that? And I was looking around like, is there like a rotting piece of food? It almost smelled like a mildewy towel. And I was like, where the hell is that coming from? And I realized it's the freaking elf's face burning on the chandelier bulb. And I realized it while Milo was still awake, so I haven't assessed the situation yet. I'm gonna get him down right now and we're gonna see what the damage is. And I don't know what I'm gonna do because Milo's first thing he does when he pops out of bed is to go find the elf. Maybe I just like say the elf has a boo-boo, put a band-aid on his face or something, and then we haul ass to find a new one tomorrow. Okay, let's see. You guys. Poor face. Oh, buddy. I mean, at least there's not like a hole. Oh, it's so weird. I don't know what to do. I gotta send Bradley some pictures and see what he says. Okay, so I put a band-aid on it, tucked him in to a tissue box, little tissue for warmth here. It's actually kind of cute. So we'll assess that tomorrow, but for now, it's somewhat handled. Bradley is dying. I sent him that picture. He's like, I am laughing out loud. I'm like, we're such idiots. But oh well. There we go. Back to it being a kid-friendly vlog. Okay, so I feel like today was supposed to be the day of tidying up, doing my Christmas crafts, finished decorating, and I feel like I just made more of a mess because all my crafts are half done. Gotta wait for more glue for the pom-pom thing. I got too tired, but I did start my paper chain and I am loving it. I told Bradley, I was like, I haven't made one of these since I was like 8 and I used to be obsessed with making them. And I wanna make one to fit around this whole thing. So we're gonna need a lot. I did use my like paper cutter to make a bunch of shreds. So we'll continue that tomorrow. This is a hot mess, but I still kind of love it. Like, it's not the best, but it looks fun and Christmassy. Just like the sparkly pipe cleaners are fun. But yeah, it's a hot mess, but it's 10 and I'm tired, so I'm gonna shower and go to bed and we'll deal with this in the morning.